Don't go here, RJ. So spicy, RJ. Make me cry. Ah!
Okay, put a cup in.
Oh my eyes, look at that. RJ, so spicy. Be careful. The light there. It's so spicy, babe.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now we put this.
Here.
We put the onion in here.
Okay.
Too much. A lot of onion.
Let's put this here.
Okay, so now the stuffing goes in last, but we have to melt the butter now in a pan. Good.
It's clean.
Yeah, it comes out
Wow,
clean.
it's clean.
Yep.
Good, it's cooked. Turn up now.
Okay, the butter's melting.
Here's the cornbread, RJ.
Okay, in the saucepan we melt the butter, then we add the vegetables and saute.
Shorty.
That means cook it.
Okay.
And then we stir in the water and we bring it to a boil and we let it simmer for 3 minutes. Then we remove from heat, gently blend in the stuffing mix and cover and let stand 5 minutes.
Okay.
So make sure the butter is melted. Cornbread looks like it came out perfect, huh?
Yep.
A little bit of a rise in the center. A lot of butter, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe too much. They said you could reduce butter and put more salt and more regular water in there. Let me get the water ready. We need
Vegetables.
Now we stir it around and let it cook up a little bit. And then we'll add a lot of water. Okay, we're still stirring it, sauteing it. You having fun? Cooking up some stuff for stuffing.
Like cooking American food.
Yeah, this is just one way of cooking stuffing. There's many ways.
Okay.
You gonna try? Give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, RJ. Thumbs up.
Yeah, he's got it. RJ the chef. That's why cooking shows, they have like, they show how to prepare it and start cooking it.
Okay.
Then they switch over to one that's already made.
Yep.
It's already made the day before. It's sauteed?
Yes, maybe that.
Let me see. Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna put in some water. One cup and then a half a cup. Chicken broth would be better. Good enough.
Careful, RJ.
1/2 more. Okay, bring it to a boil. Okay, we brought it to a boil and then we let it simmer and covered for 3 minutes. So it's ready. I'm going to push it over here, remove from heat. There it is, the traditional stuffing seasoned. Breadcrumbs, that's all it is. Open her up. Okay. It says blend in stuffing mix. Cover and let stand for 5 minutes.
Okay. There you go. Homemade stuffing.
Fluff with fork and serve. And this is traditional stuffing with celery and onion.
Yeah.
Okay, move it down.
Okay, it's done.
Oh, you gotta let stand.
Okay.
We're gonna eat. Let stand for 5 minutes. Family size. 2 times more than regular size. More than we need, but we like mashed potatoes.
I done who.
And buttery home-style mashed potatoes. Okay,
Okay.
so this.
You
Sorry.
Add 4 cups of water to a saucepan and heat.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. Here is the chicken. Look at
Turn
the.
on the stove
Okay.
in the back there.
Okay, there. Turn on now. How many cups?
4.
Have a 4 cups for mashed potato. There it is.
Just it.
Okay.
This is for the gravy. We need 1 cup of cold water.
For gravy.
Okay. Bring that to a boil. That's going to be quite a while. You got a big flame on. Okay. Ta-da. Now we have to mix it real good. Yep, bring it to a boil. Then reduce, let it simmer. And then it will thicken when it sits there standing.
There.
There it is. There it
Okay.
is. I just cut the top off. We gotta wait for it to boil though. I'm just getting it ready.
Okay.
We'll wait. And the gravy's in here. We'll bring this to a boil too. Okay.
Okay, we cut now the turkey.
And the chicken.
Yep, turkey first. It's just a quarter turkey breast, I think.
We get first the bones. Eat this, RJ.
No.
No, all is no, RJ. Why you not
Where's
eating?
the bone?
You want bones?
No.
Need a bigger knife to slice that, don't you? Yeah,
So-
you take the skin off.
Here's the chicken's head, his feet, and the neck. Now they cut it off.
With chicken.
No.
No, all is no for you, RJ. I'm not eating.
RJ's gonna have hamburger for Thanksgiving.
Okay,
She likes
cut
nothing.
now.
You need a lot of gravy. Looks dry. You know? This turkey is pre-cooked
Yep.
from the grocery store. Since nobody else eats turkey but me. We have no company, so no sense making a whole turkey.
There, RJ. Here you go.
Okay, you want to open that, RJ? You want to open it? There we go, turkey.
It's turkey for Daddy.
That's it.
That's it. I'm not going to eat all that tonight. That's it. Yeah, Mommy cut the chicken.
Chicken too here. Yep.
So Mommy has chicken for Thanksgiving. I have turkey. And RJ has hamburger.
I closed it all up.
Okay.
Having the head off.
So big this RJ. See? Chicken.
Super big.
Okay, gravy's boiling. Okay, get the gravy. Just lets it simmer for another minute. We got the 4 cups boiling. The mashed potatoes. Remove from heat and mix thoroughly using a fork. Put the gravy over here. Okay. Remove the boiling water. Immediately stir in the entire pouch of potatoes. Mix with a fork.
There you go.
Instant potato. Look at that. It's already turning into mashed potatoes.
At that. Dry now.
That's how it says to stir. Stir well and serve. Mix thoroughly using a fork to moisten all potatoes and let stand 1 minute.
What's better, the spoon that honeycomb first spoon?
Said use fork, let stand. So I guess I like the holes. Okay, back to the
Okay.
chicken. I'll stop and stir in a second.
Done. Oh my goodness.
Falls apart, looks good. So here we go. Here's my plate. Got lots of stuffing, turkey, mashed potatoes, and gravy. Ta-da!
Scramble now.
Yep.
And here is the gravy. So gravy cooked. There is the stuffing. And there's the mashed potato. Okay, we got the chicken now. The chicken breast. There it is. Snap it over. Chicken. There's RJ. Eat na burger, RJ. There's Mommy. And there's the
Turkey.
cornbread.
Turkey.
And here is the
Turkey.
chicken. It's the turkey here.
We have mashed potatoes and gravy on the stove.
And there is the stuffing and mashed potato. Here is the gravy. Stuffing here. And there is the mashed potato. Here is RJ. Come here. RJ. Okay, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Okay.
You need it.
Here, RJ.
Hold hands. Hold mommy's hand.
No. Here. Here.
Okay. Come, Lord Jesus, be our guest. Let thy gifts to us be blessed. Amen.
Amen. Okay, let's eat. Come here na, eat now, RJ.
Happy Thanksgiving. Lots of stuff.
Good.
You like it?
Yep.
Mashed potatoes hot?
Yeah.
They're better when they're hot.
Stopping here.
Cornbread too.
Yep. There's the chicken. Chicken.
More chicken and turkey.
Yep, turkey.
You got it all. You got turkey, you got chicken, you got hamburger.
Yep. Mmm. Yummy.
Yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Much easier than golden corral.
Yeah.
Well, that was good. Everything was good.
Here's the make a crumble.
Yep.
See? Oh my goodness.
Very good,
Crumble.
though. Very good, but yeah,
Mm. Yummy.
I'll give it a spoon.
Mm. Yummy the cornbread.
I put some gravy on it and ate it with the fork.
Try the cornbread, RJ. See, cornbread.
Good. Tastes good. Though.
Yes, it's good. What you cook there, guys?
Yep. Leave a comment.
Leave a comment below. Try again. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone!
Bye.
See you next time. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy Thanksgiving! Where's Daddy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!